When you look at the market today and you start working with different clients, when you do look at their testing in their labs and so forth, they're always offline. They test individual parts, but they never really test the bed complete. So when we looked at this, we said this would be easy to incorporate this right into our line. What it's looking for is, any kind of major, flaws in the bed. So we're looking for things that are, that are 40, 50, 60% off. And so we're looking for flyers. The FD1000 measures forces. So it's a load cell on the bottom of the disc. So when we're penetrating into the foam mattress, what we're doing is we're measuring in newtons what are the loads coming back or the deflection of the foam coming back into that load cell. On top of that, we're measuring the temperature and the moisture when we're taking that test. What we're trying to do is help our customers to get a better benchmark as to what the bed should be, and then what we can control too. You can't have variation in the product, and if you're selling them a soft bed and it turns out to be hard, well, that's not good. So it's that last final check before you package it to make sure that it's an acceptable product for what you're selling. It's more embarrassing if it gets to the customer and they don't like it. It's sometimes one and done. I think quality is going to be one of those areas they're going to have to chase after. But the manufacturing issues that are going on, these can be prevented. What is that percentage? And what is the dollars associated to bad manufacturing?